MindMap. Wizard AI is an exciting new tool that promises to revolutionize how we approach mind mapping and brainstorming. But is it really worth the hype? In this review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge AI software. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share how you can try it completely free from the first link below. First off, MindMap Wizard AI makes creating mind maps feel effortless. The intuitive interface lets you generate maps instantly by simply inputting keywords or topics. The AI then processes this input and arranges related ideas into a clear, organized structure. Whether you're brainstorming, planning projects, or outlining your next big presentation, this tool can speed up your workflow dramatically. One of the standout features of MindMap Wizard AI is its AI-powered suggestions. Unlike traditional mind mapping software, which only lets you draw connections manually, this tool intelligently suggests related topics or keywords based on what you've already entered. This could save you hours of brainstorming time as it helps expand your ideas naturally. It's like having a co-pilot guiding your thought process and bringing fresh angles into your creative work. Another key point is the customization options. MindMap Wizard AI gives you complete control over your mind maps. You can adjust the layout, colors, and style, so it's not only functional but also visually appealing. Plus, it supports collaboration, meaning teams can easily share and edit mind maps in real time. This feature makes it perfect for group projects or team brainstorming sessions. For those of you worried about the learning curve, don't be. The user interface is designed with simplicity in mind. So even if you've never used mind mapping software before, you'll be up and running in minutes. The AI assists you every step of the way, making this software suitable for both beginners and experts alike. What's more impressive is how the software integrates with other tools. Whether you're using Google Docs, Microsoft Office, or even specific project management platforms, MindMap Wizard AI allows for easy export and sharing of your mind maps. This level of integration makes it a versatile option for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and stay organized. Now, let's talk about the cost. While many AI tools of this caliber come with a hefty price tag, MindMap Wizard AI offers a free version with all the essential features. You can start creating mind maps and using the AI-powered suggestions without any upfront costs. Of course, there's also a premium version with advanced features, but the free version is plenty powerful for most users. Lastly, MindMap Wizard AI's versatility extends beyond professional use. It's also great for personal projects like studying, note-taking, and even goal setting. The possibilities are endless, and you can adapt it to nearly any need, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to stay organized and boost productivity. If you're interested in trying out MindMap Wizard AI for yourself, you can get started for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tried hundreds of AI tools, and this one definitely stands out, especially for those in need of efficient brainstorming and mind mapping solutions. I've also included my top recommended AI software in the description, all of which you can try for free. Make sure to check them out if you're looking to take your productivity to the next level.